everyone, today we are here in one of Emirates of UAE called Fujairah, located on UAE East Coast. United Arab Emirates is a country with a history. Today we will explore more than a century-year-old Hayl historical fort, located in Wadi Hayl in Fujairah Mountains. These historical forts played an important role of safety of surroundings from every single threat. This fort is located close to the city, maybe 10 minutes drive, and the roads are very well built till the fort, and definitely worth visiting. Welcome to another video. After a long drive in a steep ways in mountains, we are finally arrived at Al Hayl Fort. First, to the left side is a masjid or mosque. That's how it looks. Okay. Now this is the very main entrance of Al Hayl Fort. Now, once we get inside, to the right side, this is the guest room. Of course, made of stem and wood, perfectly preserved, made of course, mud clay. Now, when we go outside, to the left side, this is it's the place where they used to keep the goats, animals, pet animals. So that's how it looks from inside. And now, to the right side, this is the guest room, and to the left side, if you take a look, before we go there, this is the other room. This room used to be very important because in this very hot region areas, date used to be very important food for people to survive. So they would stack up a lot of dates. They would put some weight up on the top. So in these small ways, after pushing from above, the juice will start to come out, and it will be in a pot collected, and then they used to use it for their daily livelihood. So going outside again. Now I do remember now, he told me that's the kitchen. Now, regarding, I love these trees, shaped like an umbrella. It gives you a little bit shade in this very hot weather. Now, let's talk about this very house. About this house, it belongs to the excellencies of today ruler of Fujairah, his great, 3 generations. If you go back, that belongs to his grandfather. So if you take a look, nicely built. We're getting inside. Of course, this was like a living room, same old style made. Of course, the heat used to be very high here, in this region, so they had to use this kind of material. So it stayed kind of cold in this very heat zone. Now we are going upstairs. Okay. If you take a look, that's how it's tight. So, okay. Cold. It's kind of windy. You can breathe. So that's why they built it a little bit up on high level. So now there is upper deck. Now we're gonna go. Okay. That's how the upper level looks. It's kind of hot, very hot, and I'm all sweating and breathing very heavy. Well, according to the weather, it's not a good time to walk or explore outside, but we're gonna do it today. So now, this is the tower, and also it's the jail. Let's get close to it. Finally, we are here at the tower. It's a jail and also security tower. We got the key from the guide guy. He was an amazing guy. He gave us the key and he said, go on and explore. That's how it looks from the inside. So we try gonna go upstairs. Okay. Okay. Now we came up from there. So it looks like to me here, the first floor, maybe, according to the guide, it's a jail too. Maybe the prisoner used to sit here so they can have some little breeze and also outside view a little. We're gonna go from here up now. Finally, made it to the top floor of the tower. It was not just a tower, I mean, it was really important tower. Take a look. We can see the whole valley. Of course, it's above 40 meters above the valley ground. Take a look. Can be seen surrounding the whole area for the monitoring of any threat coming from any side. Now, take a look. We came through all this way. So, this is the Hayl fort. This was the Hayl fort area. So if you guys did like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye for now.